Welcome once again to Daniel E-Learning. You are highly welcome. If this is your first time coming to my channel, this is Daniel E-Learning, where I talk about mathematics, physics, and the rest. So in today's we will talk about angles and parallel lines. Has been a very challenging topic to many students. Everything you need to know about angles and parallel lines, you have to solve any question at all. Is what I will show you today. So the first thing you have to know that angles, when two angles intersect, when two lines intersect, angles are formed. That's the first thing. So for example, if I'm having this line intersecting like this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Four angles are formed here. That's the first thing you have to know about this. So what are parallel lines? Look at this. Parallel lines are lines that travel at the same direction. It doesn't matter if they are of the same length. But what matters is that they are traveling towards the same direction. So these are parallel lines. And sometimes you see in mathematics an angle that indicates their direction where they are heading to. So that's for that. Now another thing I will show you in this is when you have two parallel lines like this and you notice that there is a line that cuts across the two parallel lines. Now this line that cuts across two parallel lines is called a transversal line. A transversal line is a type of line that cuts across two parallel lines. Okay, so from this now we can see that angles, a lot of angles have been formed, and we are going to from here bring out all the type of angles that have been formed from this thing you see. So the first thing here is angle formed here. Let's just try to label all the angles. So the first, let me give it x, y, m, n. Let's give here A, B, C, D. Alright, I think this is perfect. So the first thing we're going to notice here is that we notice an angle called angle on a straight line, which is first is x plus n is equals to 180. This type of angle is an angle that some of the angles is giving us 180 degrees. So the reason why x and n plus n is 180 is because the sum of angles on a straight line. Alright, so the next type of angle, another type of angle that could form angle on a straight line, there are many angles here that could form that. N plus y is also giving us 180 degrees. The same reason. Another type is A plus D, still the same reason, 180 degree. Another type of angle is C plus B, 180 degrees, still the same reason. Please take note that this reason I'm putting here are very important in mathematics. When dealing with angles and parallel lines, they are very important. You can't just do away from this. I'm trying to prove to them that the reason why if I add A plus D, I'm going to get 180. You are proving to me that this is why it's like that. Okay, the next type of angle that will be formed here is an angle called, I say x is equals to y. This type of angle is called vertically opposite angle. Not only just x equals to y, there are many vertically opposite angles in this. So I will extract everything. So we have m equals to n. Okay, m equals to n. Next one is A is equals to B. A equals to B. And next one is C is equals to D. So all these you see are called vertically reasoning. They are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal. That means equal simply means if I'm having 20 here in x, then y will also give me 20. M is equal to n simply means if I'm having 50 taking the place of the m, then n is likely going to be also what? 50. So that's what simply means. So these are part of the things you must know as a student before you can start attempting questions like this. Another type of angle we're going to form here is a type of angle I call alternate angle. And let's look at that. N is equals to D Another type of alternate is y is equals to a. So this angle, the reason L is equals to D and y is equals to A is because they are what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. That's what that is. Next type of angle we bring up from here is an angle I call I will say N plus A is equals to 180 degree. And another type is Y plus D is equals to 180 degrees. My reason for this is sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles are equals to 180 degrees. Sum of two interior angles is 180 degrees. You can see how I'm giving their reasons. Another type of angle we could form from here is N is equals to D. That means I have N is equals to D, and another type is Y is equals to B. Y is equals to B. Another type is X is equals to A. X is equals to A. And another type is N is equals to C. N is equals to C. My reason proof is that they are corresponding angle. They are called corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. So you could see all this. These are what you as a student must consume. Initially, I talked about angles on a straight line. Another type of angle we can form from here is an angle from a straight line, we move it to 360 degree, which is, remember I said something like x plus n is equals to 180, and I said reason is angle on a straight line. But this time around, I'm having, let me give you this n here and x here. That means if I add this and this, it's angle on a straight line, 180. So if I extend this, I'm having the one down, an angle here, and an angle here. This is n. So that means if I have 180 up here, alright, and I have this one too, 180 here, these two angles, these two, the one up, x plus n, 180, y plus n, 180. So 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degrees. So this type of angle, that means I'm having the sum of x plus n plus m plus y equals to what? 360. So therefore, this is called a sum of angle at a point. So you could see how these are generated. So the same thing I can also do for this side, this A, D, C, and B. What I did here, I can also do it for here. So this is basically what you need to understand. Those things you need to properly understand them before you can start solving questions on this. I believe this is properly and well understood. So the next thing I'm going to do here now, I'm going to look at how to start using these things I've shown you to start implementing them into real life questions. That's what we're going to do now here. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Please note the next video will come on questions on this I've just explained. In this video, I just explained the basic things you need to understand concerning this topic. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daniel E-Learning. Follow me on all my social media so you can get updated each time I drop a new video. Thank you very much, and share this video. Please share this video. Let more people see this video. Please like and share.